This is a very early Trip to Mars toy. It's on a cable remote system. You can turn it on and off here, and then moving this lever pulls the cable to change the tip, the elevation of the toy. As the rocket and the spaceship spin around, they have lights. The rocket has one in the tail section here. The ship has a translucent top. They alternately flash. There's a squeaking device built into the gearhead motor, which is inside this blue part. Kind of sounds like a sound effect off the Jetsons, like when the Jetsons space cars flew by. Basically, here's another unit. 2 D-cell batteries would go on the bottom. There was a cable that would come in and pull on this, which would rock that elevation that we just talked about. Inside, maybe you can sort of see it. This white thing, it's a paper squeaker. That's where the squeaking noise comes from. And on the top, this shaft comes off the gear motor, so this is what's going to cause everything to rotate. There's a brass with a step to it. That's going to lock into a mating brass with a step in the arm we'll look at. And this gear is going to drive a gear which goes out to the saucer to spin the outer end of the saucer. So for example, this whole arm part comes off, and there's 2 contacts here. This contact sends power to the ship, to the saucer, to flash the light under the clear dome, and that contact sends power to the rocket, which flashes the light there. The rocket has a tip which is spring loaded, which is a very good idea, because when this thing gets spinning, if it hit you or a kid in the eye, it'd poke your eye out if it wasn't spring loaded. And you can see the gear here that causes the saucer to spin around. Then this whole menagerie sits on top like so, and just turn it till the 2 parts lock together. There they are, locked. And now I should be able to turn it on. And by moving this elevation control, I can change the elevation of the toy, just like that. And that is your rare Trip to Mars.